Hello, hello, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Marlon here, Southwest Florida Southwest. Today I'm in the roof right now, the residence. I'm just gonna come here and clean the gutter cleaning today. And this property is surrounded by gutters here. And this part of the house right now, through the behind me here, is just part of the garage. Entrance in the garage. It's gonna be a other gutters to cover right now. Over here in my front here is all full of the debris, and so it's up there. There, and I suppose over here too are all this slug. You can see there. Up there. And all around here. And of course this is the pool side, the back. Get close to it, make sure. In the corner here, the pool area, this is gonna be the hard part to clean, this area here, because it's very tight. So. And well, you can see so the screen, look at the screen. This algae. Later on, after I finish the gutter, it's supposed to be cleaning the screen, soft washing. To mention around here, there. Alright. Alright guys. I get our caution here so we won't fall. Look, clean. Anyway, alright guys, get you up to it. And there's other people working here too, doing the landscape lighting. So just good to show you around. And it's about probably 11:15. So it's about need to be gutter cleaning, pressure washing, roof washing in the market. Give us a call or send us a direct message, Facebook, or through me at my number 239-357-9088. Again, this is Marlon, Southwest Florida Southwest. Thank you for following my page. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.